Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Memory Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week is for the week of October 5th through the 11th. This is a spread that is going to be out of order. I mentioned that in my last video that I posted. It was my collab that I did. So if you haven't seen that, make sure to go check that out. Um, but after this, I'm fully caught up just because I can't plan any more weeks because I'm still living in the weeks. So my next plan with me will most likely be up either Tuesday or Wednesday. My goal is to try and get those up the following Tuesday after that, but I know I'm probably only going to be able to get like two up just because we are traveling again. So I won't have anywhere to film, so then I'll fall back behind once again. But I'm going to try my best to stay on schedule when I can. This week I'm using a kit from Glam Planner. This is called Boo. I did purchase this back in 2018. I looked back in my Etsy history and I bought this in 2018. It's just so crazy how long I've had this kit. And this is just a cute little Halloween type kit, and I thought it was perfect to use for the first week of October. And I didn't get any glitter headers with this, and this was like her Luxe kit, and back then the Luxe kits still didn't have like enough boxes, so I had to use a lot of washi, and since I did cut up the bottom washi, I like use that for some of the things in my spread, just to have kind of like washi boxes to put everything down. So I really like the way this turned out. I used hollow foil, which came out so pretty with the spread. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started with the day by day. Oh, the headers I did use are from SPC. They were from a Wiggle way back then, way back when. I don't know. It was so long ago. But those are the headers I used and the other 15 millimeter bottom washi. Also, it's extremely windy outside. Oh, that's an airplane. I'm sorry if you can hear that, but it's also extremely windy, so it's gonna be pretty loud. Plant with me. Um, Dang, that plane must be like super close. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing I marked on Monday is that it was my godfather's birthday. I used a paper and milk Maru to mark that and a happy birthday script from Kinsey's Creations. I also drove home this day from Monterey from visiting my family. I drove home super early because I had to work at 1 o'clock, and so I wanted to make sure I had enough time to like relax at home before getting to work. The drive home script is also from Kinsey's Creations, and I used an icon from the Wiggle. I also did a Starbucks run. I mean, it's not really, I guess it is Starbucks run, but I just stopped at a Starbucks drive-thru on the way home because I was so tired. The Starbucks script is from SPC, and the coffee cup is from Style Planner. Also, once I came home, I just felt gross, and so I decided to take a shower, obviously, and wash my hair. Um, this was like when I was like not washing my hair for a long period of time, so I just wanted to mark it. I used a paper, no, where is that sticker from? Stick with the Plan Co. Girl to mark that, and a wash hair script from Adorably Amy Designs. Also, this day just was not feeling like going into work, just because I had been traveling in the morning, but I just sucked it up and did it. And this day, I believe my computer just wasn't working again. So I used a nope sticker from Once More with Love, and then I binge watched Bones, and the Bone script is from Adorably Amy Designs, and another paper and milk Maru. Moving on into Tuesday, I slept in this day. I slept in quite a lot while I'm on vacation, so I think I marked that almost every day. This sleep in script is from SPC. Also decided to get ready this day. It was my day off, and so I used a Fox and Pip girl to mark that, along with another Fox and Pip girl that I got to resemble my friend Angelica. I went to go visit her new house because she just purchased a house, which was super exciting, and I wanted to go see it and go see her. So we hung out for like, I don't know, like 3 or 4 hours just talking because I hadn't seen her since last time I came over. And yeah, that was really fun. And then I was also just in my head this day. There's just a lot of emotions going on that day. So I used it in my head script from, where is that from? Oh, from Letters to Apollo. And then a munchkin, just kind of looking out the window. And then I also got some Happy Mail this day. I got my Happy Mail from Kinsey's Creations, and I used a Happy Mail script from Letters to Apollo as well. Also, I had some coffee time. I made some really good iced coffee. The script is from SPC, and I use a coffee cup from Once More with Love. Also, this day, since it was my day off, I decided to take the day and kind of visit everyone. So I went to my old school to go see my students, and oh, it was so fun. To just see my old students. A lot of them were there that weren't there last time, so it was just really nice to kind of catch up with them. And then that sticker is from Papershire. And then I cooked dinner this day. We had Taco Tuesday. We made some shrimp tacos because my dad has never, I mean, I'm sure he's had shrimp tacos, but this was like my first time like cooking for him. And then I also invited Gabby over, and so we just had a really good like family time talk, and it was just really fun. And then I was just like craving a drink really bad, so me and Gabby went to Yard House and just had our like girl talk, which really needed to happen. The Yard House script is from Kinsey's Creations. It was a custom. And then I mentioned this in all my videos. I do have a coupon code for Kinsey's Creations. You can use Erica Marie Plans to get 15% off your order. So definitely check that out, especially for customs, my go-to shop for customs. And then for Wednesday, the first thing I'm marking is that I slept in once again. That sleep in script is from Letters to Apollo, and I have a coupon code for her as well, and that is Erica10. You guys can get 10% off your order. And then later on Wednesday, I made breakfast this day. Just made some scrambled eggs and bacon, and I think I made like a breakfast burrito. It was so good. Also had some coffee at home. The coffee at home script is from Kinsey's Creations, and I used a pumpkin paper co-girl to mark that. And then on Wednesday, I had a really bad headache this day. I like took some Advil. I did my dad's oils combination that he has for headaches, and nothing was working. I had a coffee, and just nothing was like helping my headache. And so after work, I think I got off at like 7 this day. I just went straight to bed. I was done for the day. And then I used a Glam Planner girl to mark going to bed early. Moving on into Thursday, I slept in once again. That sleep in sticker is from Ice Cream Joe, and then woke up again with a headache. Yeah, I remember this day was not very good either. The headache script is from Kinsey's Creations. I also made a super yummy sandwich that day, but I think it was the bread was not very good. My stomach doesn't handle gluten very well, but I still eat it. But I think this day just really it really hurt me. So I had a really bad stomach ache the rest of the day. And then I made some iced coffee. This coffee please script is from Letters to Apollo. I didn't know I had this. This was on a freebie I got using Rachel's code. I don't think it's on her freebie, or no, because we don't have individual freebies at this time for Letters to Apollo. It's like a group freebie. But I was like, oh my gosh, I need more of these stickers. I love how thick the font is, and I just love it's just so pretty. And so I was like, man, I wish she had these. And she does. She has these on her site. I don't know how I didn't see this before, but I love it. And so I just placed an order the other day, and I'm so excited for that order to come in because that is one of my favorite scripts now. And then to end my day on Thursday, I just had a Bones binge and that sticker is from Right Brain Paper Co. And I used a GP Studio girl to mark that. Moving on into Friday. Friday was just a super lazy day. I used a lazy day script from Letters to Apollo, and I also had an Apple appointment to fix my computer, which they did finally. And so now my computer is running so smoothly. I had what was it? What did I say? Was it four? I want to say it was like 12, but I think it was four like viruses on my computer. So they had to get that taken care of. And also, I didn't put this in here. I forgot that I had these stickers and I forgot this had happened this day. But you'll see it in the close ups. But I did vote this day. I am registered to vote in California still. So I just mailed in my ballot. And so I used a vote script from Kinsey's Creations and a sticker from Wonton in a Million, but you guys will see that in the close-ups. And then to end my day on Friday, I finally uploaded a video because everything was like working. It still took a long time. because the internet sucks over there. But the upload script is from Kinsley's Creations, and I used a Shine Sticker Studio Girl to mark that. I haven't used anything from that sheet before, but I thought the colors matched really well. Also just had some me time, so I just did like a face mask and washed my hair. And then to end our night, we had Taco Bell. I was just craving it for some reason that day. And it was like 10 o'clock at night, and my dad works at home and he works nights, so he was up. And so I went out to the living room and I was like, you know what I'm craving? And I told him I was craving Taco Bell, and he's like, you know what, me too. And so I went to go to Taco Bell and picked up, I don't remember, like a couple tacos and like chips and cheese. So it was so good. And then on Saturday, I was on emails all day, and it was a long shift that day. But after my shift, I did go to Gabby's house to spend kind of like my last night with her. We had some wine. We had the Spades and Sparrow wine that I got her for her birthday back in January. And I forgot to post that picture. I was going to post a picture of it. And then Austin made us chicken soup, and that came out so good. And then I was just also in my feelings again this day. It was nothing bad, it was just an emotional roller coaster. And then I finished my night with coming home and watching Bones and just had a super late night. I couldn't sleep because honestly, I was just excited to drive home. Moving on into Sunday, I started my morning by waking up super early to pack because I didn't do that the night before. The girl is from Glam Planner, and the pack script is from Station Stickers, which you can use my code Erica for 10% off your purchase. And then I left, said goodbye to my dad, and then went over to Dean's house to go pick him up. And I was so annoyed because I waited an hour for him to finally come out of the house to get ready to go. And it was just very frustrating. So I used an annoy script from Mackenzie's Creations and another Glam Planner girl. And then before we left, we did end up having brunch at his parents' house, which was really nice. I used a brunch script from Kinsey's Creations and a like toast sticker from Fox and Cactus. And then on Sunday, we drove home later that day. The drive home script is also from Kinsey's Creations, and the car is from Style Planner. Did a few Starbucks runs this night. The Starbucks run script is from SPC, and the coffee doodle is from, I think, yes, it's from Once More with Love. And then we ended our night with getting McDonald's. I really wanted Popeyes, but they were closed. Oh no, they weren't closed. They were out of what I wanted. And that was frustrating. So we ended up just going to McDonald's, and I was so pissed off because I was craving Popeyes. I never have Popeyes anymore. So I just stuck with my fish fillet of fish. I love the fillet of fish from McDonald's. And I just got that for dinner. But yeah, so this completes this week's plan with me. I'm just finishing up the sidebar here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions about anything I may have missed, make sure to ask them down below and I will be happy to answer them. If you guys like this plan with me, hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.